looking everywhere for them, and I was super excited about these ones, especially because they're candy themed. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go on a sugar rush. This is the Sweet Spot Gumball Machine playset, and it looks super cool because it includes 2 exclusive Shopkins and 2 candy bags. And this looks really cool because it has like these plastic squinky type balls in it, and you stick some Shopkins in there and dispense Shopkins out from the bottom. And there's some Shopkins that have like holes on the bottom, so you stick them there on the candy display. So here's the front, and here's the back. And I love the cartoony versions of them because they look super adorable. And we also have our Food Fair Candy Collection playset. And this is super adorable. It includes 8 exclusive Shopkins with their pick and mix showcase. And that kind of looks like a popcorn bag for some reason. But I'm going to open up this one first so I can add all of these little cute Shopkins into my playset. Move to the side. It doesn't want to come out from Shopville. It wants to stay stuck in a box. Come, I want to play with you. Don't be stuck in Shopville. Snap, snap. There. Oh my gosh, look at the back. It looks super adorable in the back. Let me just get rid of this plastic thingy, the bobber. Look at the back. That is a super cute little logo. Now to take this magic-y stuff off. Yeah. There we go. Why is it stuck? No, I need it to come out. Come out into the world, Shopkins. Yay! I freed the candy stand. Now let's get the candy bags. Candy bags. Ugh. Okay, it's being opened. It's being slowly opened. Yes! These look adorable. We have a pink one and our little purple one. Open. So we have our little baggies. And let me untie these guys. I shall free you. Freedom for all Shopkins. Yay! This one's super cute. Look at it. It's a little lollipop. And sorry if they're kind of blurry. I will do close-ups on the Shopkins I get. Little guy. And this guy's like a little gumdrop jelly bean. I love and cherish you, Gumdrop Goblin. That was from Teen Titans Go. That was very special. And here we have our little spinning candy cart. And you hold it right here and you just go spin. Okay. I'm gonna open up my gumball machine. The gumballs are stuck! The gumballs are stuck! Snap, 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 snap! It's not snipping! I heard this powerful skizzer is working. I'm just gonna rip. Rip instead of snip. So we have this bright yellow one. Hope they don't go rolling all over the place. How many do we have? 5, 6. Boom! We have 6 gumballs. So let's stick one of our Shopkins in. Let's do a demonstration. Stick this guy in. Colorful. I'll just stick some other random ones in. Little jelly bean guy. Ow. Now we should add our Food Fair candy ones in the party. Whoa! Ah! I just destroyed the packaging. Wait. I have no words. Ow. Ow. Getting it opened. Getting it slowly opened. Yes, I got my Shopkins. And stuff is falling out. I repeat, the stuff is falling out. Oopsie doopsies. So we have our other Shopkins things. I'm gonna scooch his stuff over. Candy stand, candy bags, gumballs. And let's add these guys in. This looks super cute. I love this little playset. Boom. And there's a gumball machine topper and our little popcorn looking bag. Oh, this looks cute. You can store some underneath the face, clothes, and then you can also store some there in the little candy section. Oh my gosh, I'd definitely go to the Shopkin candy store if that actually existed. And we have our little scale to measure how many pounds of candy we're buying. I'm probably gonna buy like 500 pounds, but just saying. Don't let me go on a sugar rush or I'll be crazy. Great, I need to look at the remains of wrappings to see the names. Oh, Yummy Gummy Ring is this what it's called? Yummy Gummy Ring. Stick. It just like barely fits on the tip of my pinky. And this one's called Marshmallow Twirl, I think. Yes, Marshmallow Twirl. We have Tootsie Cutie. My remains. Rapper. Yes, this one's called Rapper Tea. It's funny, it reminds you like a rapper name because it's like Rapper Tea, tea in the house. Now we have Jelly Shake or Snake. Is it Snake? Yes, Snake. That'd be cute if it's Shake because it's a little shaking snake. Bada Pop. And this one's like a flat Shopkin at the back because it's a little cola gummy. And last but not least, Mandy Candy Corn. And Berry Sweet. And this one's super cute because look at the beautiful fading colors. They are so cute. So I'm going to stick some in and use my little spoon. Shovel. Yay! I got a candy. I'm gonna go buy it at this store. And I'm gonna try sticking some in these gumballs. I'm going to stick some in the gumballs. So then we'll have a magic candy party. And it's super cute and cool that I had all these Shopkins at the same time. So then I can stick them all in my candy machine and they're all candies. So many Shopkins! I wonder how many Shopkins actually exist. There's like 50 billion. That's a cutie. Okay, I'm just going to stick these guys in. Now, hit the top. Okay, I got an empty ball. And I'm gonna put these guys right here. And now, keep going. Ooh, I got a red one. What did I get? I got Jelly Snake! Oh my gosh, this is really fun. And I got Mandy Candy Corn in this one. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun playing with my gumball machine. And then I can stick my little candy right here. And here's my two exclusives. They can go riding also on this little cart. Oh, and I should probably stick some on my stand. So what you do is you just get the bottoms, because some of them have holes at the bottoms, and you just click them on like that. one. Yay, I can buy it now. And then you can also stick them in your little candy bags and they fit perfectly. Oh. Right like that. Beautifulness of candy. So now let's take a closer look. Here's a close-up, guys, and here we have our little candy collection stuff. It includes this little popcorn-looking bag for your candy, and our scale, and this little set with the shovel/spoon thing. And what you can do is you just click this right open, and you can go ahead and scoop your candies whenever you want to eat them. And what's cool is right here at the bottom, under the face, there's also a little storage, and you can store your scale in there. There we go. And onto this playset, I'm going to show you how it completely works, close-up version. So you just twist, 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 and then your candy comes out. And what's super cool is there's also like, if you can see, there's a little swervy S logo right there. And we got marshmallow twirl. And you can just stick these back in whenever you want. I'm just gonna leave this one out in the bag. And then we have our super cute little candy bags. We have one of our Shopkins hanging out in here. Who is it? It's Jelly Snake! And I love that one because it's like a little rainbow multicolored gummy snake. And here we have our little display stand, which has all of our little Shopkins on it. And our little cart, which you can pull all the way along with your Shopkins displayed right there. So thank you so much for watching, and give us a big thumbs up if you love Shopkins, and subscribe for more fun Shopkin videos. Bye guys! Comment down below which Shopkin's your favorite. Bye!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Both of us? No, we
Okay.
gotta redo.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, redo.
Redo.
Rock, paper,